Alright, we are back with Killstar. Unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Let's see what I got. First one is this cardigan. It's demon hooded cardigan, black, whatever, boom. There's the, if it'll focus, no, too much light. There's the label, double XL, 3XL, whatever. That's double. Nice new label. You liking the new labels? Some people look for a spooky place, others make a place spooky. Anyway, this is it. That's the detail. And then it's got a sleeve with a thumb hole. Thumb hole. I'm not too keen on that actually, how it goes down and then it changes to like weird sleeve material. Big hood, as usual with the Killstar. Let's try it on and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like on. Actually really big, even around me, which some Killstar stuff is always hit and miss because they're shitty size chart. Yeah, big old hood, which I'm not taking my hat off. I shall put some shots of me flouncing around in it, so you see the whole thing, because it's very long. It's quite thin. It would be pretty decent most of the year round. I don't need much to be hot because I'm fat, so let's see what else I got from Killstar. The Freak Like Me cardi. Again, double XL in the men's. I should also put pictures of what it looks like from their website. It's got that paper. You can almost see through it. Bit of random fluff. Sleeves. The sleeves go down. Oh look, Killstar with their top quality shit. So it looks all like that at the bottom. Camera cut out. Yeah, looks all like that at the bottom, which is why I liked it. It's that's a different label. May your laundry remain as black as your heart. Let's get the tag off this one. Again, I shall put shots of me flouncing around in it because it's very long. It goes way past my knee actually, right down onto my shin, which is quite good. Yeah, it's nice. Their knitwear stuff's usually pretty good. It's not worth the money they charge for it, but it's usually pretty good. Yeah, I quite like it. I shall show you full shots of me in it. Move the camera, there's a mirror. I just don't have the space to film it at the moment, so I'm going to have to film it separately. Anyway, all in all, Killstar, again, alright stuff. Charge far too much for it. Buy it in the sale rather than paying the whole amount. That's my advice with Killstar, or get it second hand if you can. But this has just come out. You'll be waiting a while. They need to sort their size chart out and their pricing because they're just ridiculous. But yeah, this is good. No pockets, no extra belt. Pretty good fit. My friend wants to steal it actually. She saw it, she wants to steal it. Anyway, see you in the next one.